In this session, I will discuss a multiple choice question on bonds payable. The discount on bonds payable should be reported in the balance sheet as a direct deduction from the face amount of the bonds payable. Because, so what is the reason that discount on bonds payable is reported in the balance sheet as a direct deduction from the face amount? You have four answer options. So how you present bonds on the balance sheet? Report face amount, and from face amount you deduct discount, and you get net amount. Now, what is the reason for this? Why the discount on bonds payable is reported in the balance sheet as a direct deduction from the face amount of the bonds payable? Why is it so? Let's look at the answer options. The discount is not an asset separable from the bonds payable that give rise to the discount. So yes, it is bonds payable that give rise to this discount, and it is not separable from bonds payable because this discount is not separable from the bonds payable. This discount is as a result of the bonds payable. So we report this discount as a direct deduction from the face amount of the bonds payable. So this is the answer. Let's look at other answer options. Option B, the net amount represents the amount payable to the bondholders. No, it is not that. Generally, it is the face amount that represents the amount payable to the bondholders. Generally, it is the face amount that is payable to the bondholders. This is not the answer. This presentation is easy to understand. No, you do not present this way because it is easy to understand. You do the presentation as per US GAAP. This is what is required under US GAAP. So presentation has to be as per US GAAP, has to be as per the accounting standards. You just don't do the presentation because that's easy. No, you do the presentation as per US GAAP. So this is no reason to present this way. The discount is not a liability. Just because discount is not a liability, you do not deduct it from the face amount of the bonds payable. And also it is not that any item that is not a liability, you deduct it from the liability. No, it is not that. That is not the reason that discount is not a liability, so you deduct it from the face amount of the bonds. So this is not the answer. So answer is A. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.